Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in my first video on my brand new YouTube channel. This is the Yin-Yang Investor and I would like to wish everyone a happy new year. The beginning of 2024 also means that we'll be doing a net worth update. For those of you who have never done one before, it is tallying up all our assets as well as liabilities, and the difference is our net worth. Now, keeping track of net worth regularly helps us monitor our financial well-being as well as track our progress and set financial goals. So this month, I will be comparing to where I was a year ago in January 2023 and see how much progress I've made. To start off with, the cash equivalent means the money that I have in my checking account, saving account, and some cash that I hold. And it's up 23,000 at 64,000, and at the beginning of the year I will be investing a lot of that into new stocks as well as paying off some debt. Precious metals. So gold has been done really well in 2023. However, I did have to sell roughly 100 ounces of silver that I didn't want anymore. So my precious metals, I'm down $5,500. Equities, again, last year have ballooned drastically. Also, I contributed quite a lot. So equities, stocks, and ETFs, I am at almost $340,000. It's up almost 50% from last year. I don't have any valuables right now, and I do want to buy a luxury watch sometime in the future, so that will change. My vehicles, the 2020 Corolla I bought has done really well. It's a great time to buy a new car, and just before COVID, and it's held up its value extremely well. The used car market is still pretty hot. My principal residence, I've recently done an appraisal, and it's valued at way over 1.1 million, but I want to be conservative. 1.1 million, that's up 125,000 from a year ago. My second rental property in another city is pretty stable. I would put it at $487,500, and that is up $2,500. Not a lot. The biggest change this year is I acquired a third property around August, and over the past few months, we've been doing some renovations on it, and I would value it at $860,000. I don't have a business right now, so that's zero. My pension. So my pension with the government is linked to bond rate, and bond has dropped significantly in the last month or so. As a result, my pension has gone up a lot to $238,000. And this is a precise figure because I called the pension center just a few days ago to check, and this is the exact figure that I have. So that's up almost 100% year over year. So I've done extremely well this year in terms of growing my asset. It's at $3,274,000, up $1.2 million from a year ago. Now let's talk about my debt. Okay, my credit card I pay off every month. That doesn't change a lot. My car loans at $2,600 approximately. I paid off roughly half, and by summer I will have paid off my car loan completely at 0.99% interest rate. I paid off my student loan the month I graduated, so I haven't had a student loan since graduation in 2020. I don't have life credit. My personal borrowing is at $61,000. That is to help for my family, to help with down payment with my third property. And my personal real estate loan almost doubled to $128,000. Again, that's just to help with the renovation, and that grew by $61,000. Lastly, my mortgage grew, of course, with the third property, plus over $500,000. My mortgage balance is $1.38 million. In total, my debt is at $1.576 million. That's up by $656,000. Although my debt grew, my asset grew even more. So this year, my net worth is at 1.7 million. That's up from 1.1 million a year ago. an increase of almost 560,000. That is the largest growth of my net worth since I started working. And if you look at this chart that I've been tracking my net worth for 4 or 5 years now, okay? And 5 years ago, I was still in school, being pretty flat, less than 200,000. And once I start working, it's just been going up in a straight linear fashion. Hopefully, it grows exponentially, okay? And this year here, again, it's the largest growth I've ever had, and I'm extremely grateful. Some of the goals I've set for myself for 2024 is I would like to achieve $2 million in net worth. And I think that's very achievable based on my current trajectory. I would like to acquire 2 more real estate properties. Quite ambitious. As well, not a financial goal, but I would like to visit 10 countries. The reason I would like to call myself the Yin-Yang investor is I would like to achieve balance and harmony in my life, and that means to grow my career, grow my finances, but as well have balance with enjoying life, enjoying time with my family. And I've already booked a trip 2 months to visit 8 countries, so I just have to figure out which other 2 countries I can visit in later 2024 to fulfill my third goal. Okay, so thank you. That is my first YouTube channel, and I look forward to posting more videos. So thank you for your support. Click the like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what your 2024 financial goals are, and I'll be extremely interested to listen to what you have. Okay, thank you, and again, Happy New Year.